Hi, welcome to Project for Another Day. For today, we are going to be working on this workbench right here. I'm gonna reinforce the top because if you can see, it's just two 2x4s here and here holding the top on, which I don't think is very sturdy. I'm gonna build a little frame around it, weld it on, and then put a bunch of 2x4s in the middle to act as a bench top, and then put the rest of this on top. So that's how what we're gonna do. Let me get the rest of this cleaned off and then we'll get started. Look at that, that looks a lot better now. Nothing under it now. I just gotta take out the top. Alright, so the camera died. I got a bunch of stuff done. I cut the angles and everything, cut it down, sanded it down. It's ready to weld now, so we're gonna weld it. So it goes something like this. Just gotta weld it on and we'll be done with this part so far. Shit. Yep. Okay, so now I got that built, got that done, welded together. Everything looks good. We are going to put it on here. So it fits on pretty nice. Look at it, it fits on pretty good. The welds are not the best, but it'll do. It'll work. But that's it. Okay, I'll come back when it's done. It's taking a little longer than I wanted, so I'll be back. Oh, I got done cutting the wood. It is not the best, but it works for now. It's not straight yet, but once I put the piece of plywood on top, it should be good. I left a little space in between because I don't have the ability to cut one of these in half easily yet, so this is okay for me for now. I'm gonna put the top on and see how everything works together, and then we'll go from there. So if you look at it, I gotta cut off a little bit from here. So I'm gonna give it a try. Good old try. I cut it off with the Sawzall. It is pretty straight if you're asking me. It's not too bad. fancy schmancy reason. All right, that's it. Let it dry, and when we come back, we'll peel these off and see how it looks like, and then put everything else on top. So 10 minutes has passed by. It's pretty dry now. I'm gonna start taking this off. So this is the finished product. Under here, you can see 2x4s are here. It's looking pretty good. I like it. I like the way it looks. I think it'll be good for a little while. Thanks for watching Project for Another Day. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. See ya. Bye.